In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your active website subscription. To get started, sign into your account and open the main dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the settings area. This is where you'll find the controls for your account, payments, and subscription details. Inside settings, look for the billing section and click into it. Billing is the place where you can review your payment information, see your current plan, and manage any active subscriptions connected to your account. When the billing page opens, find your active website subscription and select it. Make sure you're choosing the currently active subscription, since this is the one that contains the cancellation option. Opening the subscription details will usually show you important information such as the renewal schedule, billing history, and the status of the plan. Taking a moment to review this page can be helpful so you know exactly what will be affected when the subscription is canceled. Next, click Cancel Subscription. This will begin the cancellation process. In many cases, platforms include one or two confirmation screens before the cancellation is finalized, so don't worry if you're asked to review your choice. This is normal and is meant to make sure the subscription is not canceled by accident. After that, you'll be asked to select a reason for leaving. Choose the option that best matches your situation, then complete any additional prompts that appear on the screen. These prompts may ask for feedback or offer alternatives before the cancellation goes through. Just read each screen carefully and continue through the process. When everything is filled out, click Confirm Cancellation to finalize it. Once you've done that, your cancellation request should be submitted successfully. It's a good idea to look for a confirmation message on the screen or check for a follow-up email confirming that the subscription has been canceled. If you don't see confirmation right away, refresh the page or return to the billing section to verify that the subscription status has changed. That's all it takes to cancel your active website subscription through the billing settings. Follow each screen carefully, confirm the cancellation at the end, and keep a copy of any confirmation you receive for your records.